Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I want to show you how to download and install Lidl Plus app. Lidl Plus app is a digital loyalty program that provides members with personalized grocery coupons, in-store discounts, and reward points every time they shop. It is available for free on both iOS and Android. It completely replaces physical cards with scannable digital wallet. So key features: weekly discount, access new money off coupons on selected items every week. Lidl Plus points, collect points with every shop and trade them for exclusive reward in rewards marketplace, including free products or extra money off your shopping. Digital receipts. Store all your receipts in one place for easy returns and expense tracking. Scratch and win. Receive a digital scratch card after every qualifying transaction with guaranteed prices or discounts. Store and product finder. Easy search for local Lidl shop. We're going to download the app. So go to apps, then select search, then type Lidl, Lidl plus app. Lidl plus, 13K reviews, 10 million plus downloads, 3.9 stars. Select download or install. Select open. Welcome to Lidl Plus. Sign in to Lidl Rewards app and get discounts on products you love. Country, Great Britain. You can scroll down. You can select on the country and select your country from the list. So Great Britain selected. Then select next. Processing your data. I usually reject processing my data. Save with Lidl Plus. Click next. Get more from your shop. Scan your card every time you shop for extra rewards and chance to win. Click next. Easy plan your weekly shop. Browse digital leaflets. Check your local store details. Create a shopping list and more. Select next. Save time with Lidl Pay. Link your payment details in app to get great savings and pay in a single scan. Then select get started. Then location. Allow Lidl Plus to access your device location, precise or approximate location. If you allow location, only this time, please select your local store. Then you select and find your local store. So once you allow location, then it will find your local store. Then you select the store. So once you select your local store, show you login or register to access all the benefits of Lidl Plus or continue as a guest by clicking close this. Your local store on top and show you that it's open. So you can select items, coupons. This is home. Coupons, offers, leaflets, account. So you log in or register to manage your Lidl Plus account, your activity. You get your receipts, shopping list, wallet, Lidl Pay, profile, about me, personal details, login and security. So coupons, receive coupons tailored to you. Log in to access personalized content and save with Lidl Plus. If you go to offers, Lidl Plus offers 53 offers. So they have various items on offer. You just need to scroll and select any particular item you are looking for. So I'm going to select Silver Crest Electric Barbecue and Smoker. Select on it, for example, will show you the price and also the discount. Partner offers. So these are offers from partners, other third party, holiday and travel, health and beauty, activities. If you go back, so you have EV charging, Lidl recipes, select on it. Then it will show you recipes they got. flavors from Iberia, summer, food offers, our grocery range. If you select grocery range, scroll down and it will show you various groceries they got. Leaflets, so it will show you leaflets, Lidl weekly, and also show you the week. This is local leaflets, and from here you can also check the price. So this is how to install Lidl Plus app. If you want to uninstall this app, select on the app, then it will show you uninstall. Do you want to uninstall this app? Then select OK. Uninstall Lidl Plus. So this app is uninstalled from the iPad. So this is how to install Lidl Plus app. You can create your account, select your preferred Lidl store, scan your app as digital QR code at the checkout before paying to instantly apply your activated coupon and track loyalty points, etc. Thank you very much indeed.